The list append method in Python adds an element to the end of the list. Let's make ourselves a list A that holds the elements 1, 2, and 3. If we call append on A and add on the element 4, you'll get no output. If you look at A, you will see that 4 was added to the end of the list. From what we just went through, hopefully you caught the important thing. If you were to do a line like A equals A dot append 5, you would not get your desired result. Since append returns none, you would make A equal none, and then you completely lost your existing list. Here's another thing to consider. If we go back a few steps, and A now equals the list containing 1, 2, and 3, then we append the list containing 4, 5, and 6. What will A look like after writing this line of code? Well, it does not add the elements in the new list individually. It adds the whole list as a single item. So A is now the list containing 1, 2, 3, and the list containing 4, 5, and 6. Like and subscribe to learn more.